Good morning, student. Today is 23rd April 2020. Today I am going to teach practical problem based on revaluation account, partner capital account and balance sheet. This is admission of a partner, chapter number 3. The size of question is very large and I cannot write the question on notebook, so I am going to teach through book. So see the example related to revaluation account, partner capital account and balance sheet. Question is, Divya, Yasmin and Fatima are partner in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio 11:7:2 respectively. The balance sheet of a firm as on 31st March 2018 was as follow. Balance sheet is given: sundry creditor 70,000, public deposit, reserve fund, outstanding expenses and capital of all the partners. In asset side, factory building, plant and machinery, furniture, stock, debtor, less provision and cash at bank. Now question says, on 1st April 2018, Aditya is admitted as a partner for 1/5 share in the profits with a capital of 4,50,000 and necessary amount for his share of goodwill on the following terms. First is furniture of 2,40,000 were to be taken over by Divya, Yasmin and Fatima equally. A creditor of 7,000 not recorded in book to be taken into account. Goodwill of the firm is to be valued at 2.5 years. Purchase of average profits of last 2 years. The profit of the last 3 years were 2015-16 6 lakh, 16-17 2 lakh, 17-18 6 lakh. At time of Aditya admission, Yasmin also brought in 50,000 as fresh capital. Fifth point is plant and machinery is revalued to 2 lakh and expenses outstanding were brought down to 9,000. Prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet of the reconstituted firm. First, I will prepare revaluation account. See the format of revaluation account. And Question says about plant and machinery were valued to 2 lakh, and it is given plant and machinery 1,80,000 in question. So it will increase by 20,000, and I will write machinery 20,000. Next, outstanding expenses were brought down to 9,000, and it is given in question 10,000. So it will our income 1,000. So I will write in credit side 1,000. Now in debit side, creditor 7,000, because question says about a creditor of 7,000 not recorded in book to be taken into account. So I have to record it, and it will create our liability, so it will be loss. So I am record it in debit side of revaluation account, because rule of revaluation account says all the loss and expenses will be debit, all the income and gain will be credit. Now I will add it. Total will be 21,000 when I deduct 7,000. Then profit of old partner Dibya, Yasmin and Fatima will be shared by old ratio in 11:7:2. Now I have prepared revaluation account. Next will be partner capital account. Partner capital account. By balance BD, Dibya, Yasmin and Fatima 5,30,000, 3 lakh and 5 lakh. Revaluation account, I have calculate profit of revaluation account 7,700, 4,900 and 1,400. So I will transfer it revaluation account. Next, in liability side, reserve fund is also given. Reserve fund amount is given. Amount of reserve fund is 90,000. So I will divide it in old ratio, in old partner 49,500, 31,500 and 9,000. Next is premium for goodwill account, and new partner bring goodwill of the firm valued. So I have to also calculate goodwill of the firm. Goodwill of the firm will be 10 lakh, and Aditya's share of goodwill will be 1/5. It will be 2 lakh, and he have to brought premium for goodwill 2 lakh, and it will divide by old partner bank account for capital 4,50,000, and Yasmin also brought 50,000 as capital. So I will write it. Next is furniture. Furniture of 2,40,000 were to be taken by Dib and Yasmin and Fatima equally. So I will distribute it 80,000, 80,000 and 80,000. Now I have to balance it, and balance CD will be Dibya 5,97,200, 3,76,400 and 4,50,400 and 4,50,000. Now balance sheet is given. I have to change in balance sheet. In old balance sheet, sundry creditor is 70,000, and in new balance sheet, sundry creditor will be 7,000 because it has 77,000 because creditor not recorded 7,000, so I will include it. Next is public deposit is given in balance sheet already, so I will write in liability side 1,90,000. Next, outstanding expenses 9,000 and capital from balance CD etc are given. And in asset side, factory building is also given 7,35,000, plant and machinery 2 lakh, furniture 20,000, stock 1,45,000, debtor no change in debtor, so it will write same. Cash at bank will be according to bank account, balance of 1,59,000 is given in question, and Aditya capital 4,50,000, premium brought by Aditya 2 lakh, and new Yasmin also invest 50,000, so total balance CD will be 8,59,000. So cash at bank will be 8,59,000. In both sides, total balance will be 20,79,000. Now see next illustration. P and Q are partners in a firm sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2 on 1st January 2020. The position of the business was as follow. Next page. Liability side are given in balance sheet, sundry creditor, general ledger, and capital of PQ. In asset side, goodwill, plant and machinery, stock, debtor, and provision for bad debt and doubtful debt. Cash is also given. Now question says that are agreed to join the business in the following conditions. He will introduce 50,000 as his capital and will pay 15,000 to the partners as premium for goodwill. The new profit sharing ratio is 2:1:1 for PQR respectively. A bill of exchange of 10,000 was discounted from bank dishonored on 1st January 2020, but no entry has been passed, so I have to pass it. A revaluation of the assets of the firm will be made by reducing plant and machinery to 60,000. Stock is to be reduced by 4,50,000 and create provision for bad and doubtful debt at the rate of 6% on debtor. Now fourth point is 15,000 paid by R as premium to be credited to the loan account P and Q in their respective proportionate. A contingent liability of 1 lakh not included in the above balance sheet has been accepted. 6th point is expenses on revaluation amounting to 1,400 are paid by P. Next point, 7th, point is out of insurance premium which was debited to profit and loss account rupees 2000 be carried forward as unexpired insurance. You are asked to give necessary journal entry and give the new balance sheet. First journal entry is general reserve account DR to PG capital account to QG capital account, because general reserve is given in balance sheet. It will shared by old partner in old ratio. 15,000 will share into 3:2. Now second journal entry will be for goodwill written off. So PG capital account DR, QG capital account DR to goodwill account. Goodwill given in balance sheet in asset side. Now I will write off goodwill 20,000. Next third journal entry will be for unexpired insurance account DR to revaluation account, because it is our outstanding accrued income. Now it will transfer into revaluation account 2000. Question says about now question says about out of insurance premium which was debited to profit and loss account 2000 be carried forward as unexpired insurance, prepaid insurance. Now debtor account DR to cash account discounted bill dishonor 10,000. Question says for this amount bill of exchange 10,000 were discounted from bank but dishonor. Now next journal entry will be for revaluation account DR, plant and machinery account, stock account, provision for doubtful debt and liability account to P. Plant and machinery. About plant and machinery, question says plant and machinery reduced to 60,000, stock to be reduced by 4,500, and create provision for doubtful debt 6% on debtor. So journal entry will be revaluation account DR to plant and machinery account, stock account, provision for doubtful debt will be calculate 6% on debtor, and liability account 1000 and P 1400, because expenses of on revaluation amounting 1400 are paid by P. So it will also record in debit side of revaluation account. Now I will calculate loss and profit. So it will be loss for partner. So journal entry will be PG capital account DR, QG capital account DR. It will shared by old partner in old ratio 3:2. Total will be 10,700. Deduct 12,700 and 10,000. 12,000. Now 2,000. Next will be cash account DR, Ars capital account to premium for goodwill account, because R bring capital say 50,000 and premium for goodwill 15,000, both will be 65,000. Premium for goodwill account DR, P's loan account to Q's loan account, because question says it will transfer into P's loan account and Q's loan account, and it will transfer into sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio will be 2:3 because new ratio is also given 2:1:1, and old ratio is given 3:2. Now I will prepare revaluation account also from journal entry and partner capital account also in working note, because question says journal entry and balance sheet, preparation for journal entry and balance sheet. So I have to prepare partner capital account also in working note. Balance sheet of PQR will be 51,960, 33,720 and 50,000. Now I will transfer in balance sheet liability 1,000. This is new liability created. Sundry creditor 30,000. Loan account P and Q's will be 6,900. New partners capital account brought from balance sheet, partners capital account. Next, plant and machinery should be reduced to 60,000. Stock 34,500. Debtor will deduct and it will remain 28,200. Cash will be in old balance sheet. Cash is given 2,000 and new amount will be capital bidding by new partner 50,000 as capital, 15,000 as goodwill, and unexpired insurance minus 10,000. When expired insurance will be 2,000 and 10,000 will be dishonor of bill. So it will remain 57,000. Now total will be 1,81,700 and 1,81,000. Thank you.